'Cause round every corner, you're the hand in mine.
Have you ever wanted to write your own song? A song that would be good enough, you'd listen to it and say, damn, this should be on radio? Well, AI is giving all of us that opportunity. You just need to know how to prompt properly. Now, on December 18th, I'm running a 1-hour workshop where I'm going to teach you everything that I've learned about songwriting. Now, I have a bit of a musical background. I grew up playing piano and then guitar and playing in bands, and then I was DJing, and then I got into the wonderful world of AI. And I realized that most people are just going into tools like Suno or whatever music tool you want, and they're just kind of doing it wrong. There's a framework that works so much better. So what we'll be teaching you on the 18th, things like, first of all, defining the music genre for the person that you're writing the song for. In my case, I was writing a song for my wife for our 9-year wedding anniversary. And I knew that she loved country music, she loved Ed Sheeran, and I created a musical genre that I knew that she would absolutely love. That's sort of step one. And step two is having the AI, like building the prompt outside of Suno, having it interview you and really tap into those emotional connecting moments that go with the narrative of your song. So anyways, long story short, we'll go through all of the steps, and within 30 minutes, you'll be able to produce an incredible song for free that will be the ultimate gift for Christmas. There's nothing better to show your appreciation for someone than to take the time, create a beautiful song for them. When I played the song for my wife on our wedding anniversary, it brought her to tears almost instantly. We sat there on the couch, and it was a beautiful, magical moment. I hope I can help you experience the same. Look forward to seeing many of you on December 18th for a 1-hour workshop on AI for songwriting. Thanks, guys.